Come on! Are you freaking serious? Do you see this, guys? The transaction just showed up.
This video is not financial advice, it's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it.
Perfect.
My name's Arthur, and I've been into crypto and crypto mining for over 5 years, and over that time, I've survived dozens of market crashes, and I always bounced back. That's because I always know how to make the most of any trend, and lately I've been hearing a lot about cloud mining and wanted to learn more about it, and I watched dozens of YouTube videos looking for something worth watching until I finally stumbled upon a cloud mining method that actually worked for me. So watch till the end. It's just 4 steps that even the beginner can handle. So step 1. I open the bot. By the way, here's my Telegram channel where I share useful tips on making money with crypto. So I press done. Then step 2. I press here. Then here, I select BTC. And here I enter my address. I'm going here. By the way, I want to say I don't choose altcoins or any hype coins because if the method works with Bitcoin, then it definitely works with anything. Give me a second. So I enter the address. Then step 3, I enter the number of coins to mine. That's it, the mining process has just started. Okay, so now we'll wait for a while. It shouldn't take long, and it's done. The last step is standard transaction fee for Bitcoin transfers. I'll copy this address and go back. I'm going to the section. I'll paste it here. I'll enter the amount. There we go. Okay. Then I'll click continue. Come on. Great, it's processing. Amazing. So I'm going back, waiting for the notification. Oh, here it is. Amazing. Now I'll just refresh the page. One more time. I'm a bit nervous here. Come on. Are you freaking serious? Do you see this, guys? The transaction just showed up. I mean, real Bitcoin, real address. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you too, guys.